So Green Flag started in Bradford in 1971, so it was really important to us to do something in our local community. So obviously Leeds and Bradford very close to each other, and so to be able to do the activity here has been great. And with our partnerships with Leeds Rhinos and the netball team, for us to be able to continue to grow and build that partnership with a team from the local area, from our local community, is really important to us. We like to think that we have more of a family culture within our business, so everything really aligns with what we hold dear.
You know, people shouldn't underestimate the value of the work that you're doing and that you've done for us here. Not only has it saved us thousands of pounds, it's allowed us to upgrade a facility that the children love. And of course we work with and support about 2,000, 2,500 children a year. And as you know yourself, the Nightline was the first thing we talked about that needed a bit of an uplift and an upgrade. So, you know, what you've done for us is fantastic. And the Nightline looks spectacular, and it will last us now for several more years. And we couldn't have done that without you or the support from Green Flag.